Hello. So this is demo about setting their default settings. When you receive your beacons, they may have any settings virtually during the production, like manual gain, manual threshold settings and sensors. They can be anything. So for you, in order to start from something, it's better that you use the default settings. So default settings will do this, will go to default, and in radio will also go to the default. Default settings are the following. This is frequency and this is radio profile. This is important, otherwise you will lose your beacon immediately. So you just select the beacon and press default. So now I have the default settings. So minimum threshold, radio remains the same, otherwise we would lose the beacon. And ultrasonic, as you see, moved to automatic gain control, threshold is set, and hysteresis or threshold is also automatic. So now this is in default settings. You see, it's now marked not green because majority of beacons, they have different settings. So I can either repeat the same. So now the default settings are being written to beacon number 4. You see now beacon 5 is unusual because this beacon has the default settings, this beacon has default settings, but this is not. But for this I can employ different technique. I can choose my default beacon, press Ctrl and type write all. Now all beacons that were active will have the same settings as beacon number 4. So in this way now you have the system which has default settings.